I am so glad to be back with a video. This is just going to be like a start to finish, everything that I do. I already bleached the knots on here. I did not film that part because it's the same exact thing I did last week when I shared with you guys the curly hair, so I didn't feel the need to redo that again. Definitely keep on watching. Be sure to check that description box. Everything about this hair will be down below this video. The first thing I'm going to do with this wig after I have bleached the knots and washed it is kind of thin out the hairline. The hairline already come pre-plucked, which is really good, but I like to take the uniform shape out of the wig and make it more natural looking. So I'm going to soften it up a little bit more by taking some tweezers and just thinning it out. Now this is optional. You do not have to do this. This is just something I do with every single one of my wigs, because I just like, I don't know, I'm just like a perfectionist when it comes to how my wigs look on my head, so I do a little bit extra. The next step I'm going to do is take some foundation and apply it to the inside of the cap to the lace. This will hide the knots that did not bleach, and it also will make the lace color melt with my skin even more, because I'm using a foundation that matches my complexion or the foundation color that I like to wear. And then I'm just going to spray it with some Got2b freezing spray and blow dry it so that it will not smudge off. Now for this style, I am going to set my parting in the center. Normally I would go with a side part because I just feel like the side part looks really good, but I really wanted when this hair falls to look like really beautiful waves. As you can see, this hair comes with this beautiful wavy texture, but I'm going to take my Duval curler and add curls to it that over a couple days will drop into beautiful waves. I really love this curler a lot. It gives the prettiest, softest curls. Like, it's so nice. I will put a link down below in the description box if you guys want to achieve this same look. I mean, look at that hairline. Wow, that looks so good. And I really like the lace color. It blends very well, and also the knots are pretty good too. I will be sure to put all the information about this wig in the description box with everything that I use in today's video. So I know the curls look really tight. I'm going to fluff them out later on after I get this wig adhered to my head. But one tip I do want to give you guys is definitely try to use a foundation, because I feel like using a foundation or a powder, it really melts that lace when you go to apply it. So I'm still over here debating on what hair I'm going to wear on this weekend when I celebrate my birthday, because I just don't know. I know I love these curls. That's why I decided to share them in today's video, because if I was to wear them for my birthday, I know a lot of you would probably be like, well, what did you do to get your hair like this? If I decide to wear these curls, this is how I achieve them. So you can come follow me on Instagram and let me know what style you think I should wear for my birthday weekend. By the way, shout out to all of my Scorpios. It is officially Scorpio season, and yeah, all of my October babies, happy birthday to you guys also. And thank you all so much for the birthday wishes. I know I've already got a few over on Instagram, and to everyone else who's going to tell me happy birthday, thank you guys so very much. I'm just glad to be with you guys another year, and I love you guys so very much. Now I did bleach the knots on this wig, however I did notice that a lot of the knots would not bleach. Well, did not bleach after about 20 minutes. And I used the same bleach that I talked about last week with you guys when I showed you guys the curly style and a new bleach. And I'm finding that using that bleach, you cannot really tell what the outcome is going to be until you rinse the hair. So I let the bleach sit on this for about 25, maybe 27 minutes. It was a no-go for the knots. But I really love these type of curls when they fall loose. Like after a couple of days, it'll turn into some big, beautiful waves. If you follow me on Instagram and you've seen the picture I took at the computer with the big flowy curls, yes, this is the same thing that I did for that style. But I really like when it falls into that beautiful wave. And this right here is the flyaway tamer. It's basically a wax stick. You can find these probably online, maybe Amazon. I may link some below for you guys. Are interested in purchasing the Duval curler, I will link it below. If you use the code Marie70, I will put it right here. You can save 70% off of this curler. Here, I washed it when I bleached the knots last night and I let it dry overnight, so it still is a little bit damp up in the roots. So I'm going to take my blow dryer and see if I can fluff it out. I will post more pictures of this style on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me there. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you would like to keep up with me outside of YouTube, definitely follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you back in my next video. My precious squad.